Okay, so the game that I'm going to be telling you guys about is the baseball spelling game. So the class would divide into two teams. So for example, I put the Twins and the Mariners. And then the teacher would select a pitcher. So there'd be a pitcher for each team. And then the pitcher is the person who draws the card and that reads the card to the other team. So for example, if the Twins pitcher picked a card and read it out loud, then a team member of the Mariners would go up and have to spell the word correctly on the board. If the word is balloon and the student spells it correctly on the board, then they get to go stand in front of the chalkboard where it says first base. And continuously throughout that, it's just like baseball. So the next batter comes up, he gets a word, he goes writes the word on the board, he gets it right, he goes to first base, the person who was at first gets to go to second, and so on. If the student spells the word incorrectly, then the student counts out as an out, and just like normal baseball, there is 3 outs to each inning. And then also, if, say, the pitcher for the Twins is reading balloon or something like that, if the other student decides to interrupt them, then they can go up to the board and try to spell the word correctly without even hearing the full word. And if they get it correct, it counts as a home run, and that counts as all the runs. If they spell it incorrectly, then or it's the wrong word, then it's all 3 outs for that inning, and then switches over to the next team. And then at the end of the game, the team with the most runs wins.